In this video, we are going to show you how to share a message as a PDF in Flowith. Now, if you want to share practically anything here on Flowith, you can actually just use Windows. It's not really in Flowith itself. The only way you can share your Flowith is by clicking here. As you can see on the upper left corner, if you hover your mouse here, it says share. When you click on that, you're going to see this pop up. So you can just copy the link and you can actually see who can view it, right? And anyone with a link, or just, nobody would, right? So that is how you can share it. But if you want to share it as a PDF or download this specific conversation as a PDF or message, you actually need to use your keyboard. So what you want to do is click on Control P to print, right? As you can see here, this is pretty much what you're going to share, right? And destination, save as PDF, right? Make sure it is saved as PDF. By default, it's going to be Microsoft Print to PDF, but you want to highlight save as PDF and click save, and it's going to be saved as a PDF to your computer or laptop. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.